The moment a banana enters your body, an incredible transformation begins. As you take a bite, enzymes in your saliva immediately start breaking it down into simple, usable forms of energy. The banana travels down the esophagus and reaches the stomach, where powerful acids and digestive juices continue the process. Inside the stomach, the soft fruit mixes and dissolves quickly, releasing essential nutrients like potassium, vitamin B6, and natural sugars. From here, the partially digested banana moves into the small intestine. This is where the real magic happens. Tiny structures called villi absorb the nutrients and send them directly into your bloodstream. Now these nutrients spread through your entire body. Potassium helps your heart maintain a steady rhythm. Natural sugars provide a clean, steady boost of energies. Vitamin B6 supports your brain, helping with focus and mood. Your muscles receive fuel, your gut microbiome grows stronger, and your cells light up with renewed power.